WhatsApp integration in Sangam CRM. So let me share my screen and let's start our discussion. So first of all, I hope my screen is visible. All right. So we are going to discuss WhatsApp integration in Sangam CRM and different scenarios, how this can be used, and what is possible and what is not possible. So we'll try to cover everything. Things can sound slightly complicated to you because those of you have done campaign management in email or some other platform, this would sound logical. But those of you who have never done any kind of campaign management, it will sound little complex. But don't worry, most of the complex things will be done by our team. So you don't have to worry about that. Okay. So what all things we are going to discuss, and this integration contains how many things. So first of all, there is a WhatsApp chatbot. I hope all of you have already experienced what is the chatbot and how it is functioning. So if you want to try out how that chatbot works, I will shortly give you a demonstration where you can check it out. So don't worry about that. Then we will talk about what are WhatsApp campaigns. How do you create a campaign and how does it function? How well it can benefit, help you. Then we will be discussing about templates also. Is my voice audible clearly? Can you reply? Am I audible? Okay, fine. Now I think it should be clear. And if it is still not clear, then you can ping me. And then we will be also discussing how to create, or what would be the mechanism to create a workflow based mechanism. So we'll cover all these topics and see what all things can be done. So meanwhile, if any one of you wants to check out how this chatbot or autoresponder runs, I have just now shared one link with all of you in the chat menu of Zoom. So you can just click on that if you are on a mobile, and if you are on an PC, it might not work. So if I have just kept my WhatsApp open so that you can see what is happening when this autoresponder is working. I hope you can see the chat icon and you can just click on it and it will see. So Maulik, thank you very much for trying it out. So Maulik, I will request you to try some more options. Yes, see, so friends, we are able to see what Maulik is trying out. So he first tried 000 and then he tried 999 and again 999. And few other people are also trying out this. Maulik, 1 is not the answer. That was agenda points. So that is not an answer. Okay. Apart from that, there are a lot of things to try in this WhatsApp. But I think all of you got the idea how this is functioning. So let's get back to our webinar. So I'm surprised why everyone wants to press 999 and understand how this works. Okay, some other people trying other things also. Good. Thank you very much for trying it out. And then what it is not, what this integration cannot do. So first of all, this is not a tool for sending bulk WhatsApp messages. So if you guys are looking for sending bulk WhatsApp messages, no component of Sangam CRM can help you. It is not for sending bulk. Now, when I say sending bulk means what many people want to do, get a database from somewhere and send WA messages to all of them. If you want to do this, this is not the tool. Okay, this by no way is meant to be a replacement for WhatsApp API. In fact, we are not using any kind of API. Everything that we are using is commonly published URL or any other thing by WhatsApp. So no hacking is done, no reverse engineering done. Whatever has been done in Sangam CRM. Nothing is done on the WhatsApp side. So we are not violating any usage policy of WhatsApp. I would like to repeat that we are not violating any usage policy of WhatsApp. Okay, this chatbot does not support natural language processing. So if you are trying to have a chatbot which will talk like a real life human being, then currently this is not the solution. In future, we will have this solution soon. When I say in future, it means maybe few months or couple of quarters. Then as of now, this cannot send images or files or any other thing or contacts, because for that you need API, and we are not using any kind of API, no legal API or no illegal API. We are not using any API. You don't get analysis of responses, means whether the message was read or not. You don't get that, but we have something else for responses. Okay, now what we will be seeing today, let us discuss this in flow. So we'll first see how to create this entire mechanism, and our purpose today is so we'll be giving you an example. Let's say we are planning one event tomorrow, that is on Sunday, and that's a picnic for entire team, and we want to invite all our team members for that picnic. We are going to inform them about this, but I also want to capture how many people are interested in that. So that is the whole process. Now you can compare this process to any other lead generation process where you inform couple your customers about your offering, and you want to capture how many people are interested. So here we will be doing something very similar to that, but the example we are taking is different. So what we have done is, first of all, we need to create one tag, and I will align few things so that you can see things clearly. So this is our tag list. We created a call called Team NJ. So I can just show you how does that look like. So tag is created so that you can add contacts to this campaign. So why we need this tag? For that, let us first understand what will happen if I try to create a campaign. So I will edit this campaign. So we have created everything for you so that it would be easier for me to showcase you. So this is Sangam Concept Talk 12 campaign. Then I need to select a tag. So किसको message भेजना है, to whom I should send these messages, that is selected using the tag. And which message I want to send, that is selected using the template, which means that before creating campaign, you need to have tag created, which will have contacts or where you can add contacts later on. And you also need to have a template which you want to send to people. So first we will see this tag. So tag was created and we have already applied some contacts this tag, but I will show you how to apply this in mass. So let's say these are the 3 people to whom I want to apply the tag. So I will select them. If the list is long, you can click here and select all. Let's say your list is running on multiple hundreds or thousands, you will have to select multiple and then select tag. So I will say add tag, and the tag to be applied is Team NJ. Team NJ with the space. Okay, that's not the one. This is it. Okay. I'll say save. So all these 3 contacts will be applied this tag, and when that tag is applied, they will come here. So this is 60. If I refresh this, this will increase. Okay. So the tag is being applied. That's a background job. It will be carried on. So no need to worry about that. And what happens is that this is the contact list, which we have already applied tag. Then this is the template that we created. So let's edit and see how the templates are normal and regular in Sampark Sangam Setu. So for everything, wherever you need template, you can have one template which can be for email, message means SMS, and WhatsApp. So this is the WhatsApp message which we have created, and the message goes something like this: hey, hope you are doing well. We are planning a one-day picnic at Nargol tomorrow. We will meet near Billard Plaza at 8 a.m. Let's meet at 6 p.m. in our meeting area. Meeting area is the area in our office. And if you are interested to come, press 777. So why we have done here 777, that I will show. That is the response for chatbot. Okay. And so this is the campaign. And if you go below that campaign, once the campaign is created and active, you will see here this checklist. Checklist is actually list of messages that are waiting to be delivered. Okay. So this 35 messages will get delivered. So how do you deliver that? And before that, we want to understand how do you create a chatbot, means reply engine or response engine, something like that. So let us understand that. I will share the screen of mobile so that I can show you that. So till now, if you have had any questions, I would request you to please ask. And shortly, we will be seeing this in action. Okay. Okay, so this is the screen of mobile. We have opened Sangam CRM app, and in the Sangam CRM app, we will go to so we have to select this rules engine in the bottom, right? If I select rules engine, as of now, we have created only one rule, and it goes like this. So there are this many components. So if we receive 777, then what should we reply? So we have written Kaisa laga mera majak, stay home, stay safe. And we need to also decide which tag should be applied when people respond to this. So here's how we will select that tag. So we'll click on add new tag, and we have created one tag called picnic confirmation, right? So we'll select that, and now we are ready to shoot this campaign. Okay. So I can just go to WhatsApp on my Sangam CRM and run this campaign. तो एकदम slowly जाए तो टक 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 करे मैं छल्लो स्क्रीन अब देखा Okay, so on this screen, on the top, you see play button. So you have to just click on that play button and keep your phone as it is to start shooting. So here you have to select how many messages you want to send in one go. So ideally you should select like 15, 20, 25, 40, 50. So now we are sending these messages. You might see that one by one messages are going. I will request NJ's team to please manage the microphones. I hope this screen is visible to all of you. See, all these messages are going, and the best part of this application would be if you receive a call or do something else in between, your message going will stop. And so few of the messages have gone. And let us open our WhatsApp to see how many responses have been sent. So we had sent this message to 3 people, and out of that, 2 people responded with 777, and they got the response also. So this is how the chatbot will work. Now we want to see in our CRM, we want to find how many people responded. Okay. So let me share my screen again. Okay, the screen is visible to all of you. This is the picnic confirmation. If I click refresh, I'll get to know how many people responded. So this many people responded. I can also get this list from contacts list view. So this is how your entire process of chatbot can function. So what I demonstrated you right now is two things in action. First is WhatsApp campaigns, and second is WhatsApp chatbot. Okay. Now all these things we have seen. We created a tag, then we created a template. See, we created a tag to identify contacts to whom we want to send these messages. We created a template so to tell the campaign which message to send. Then we created a campaign for managing those things. Then I showed you where you can see the WhatsApp sending queue. In fact, you need to send WhatsApps from your Android phone. Then we actually send this WhatsApp messages. Then we also discussed how that chatbot responses are created and how the results are modified. So before I jump to the examples, I would like to take few questions. Okay, we have some questions from Mr. Janil Desai. Is this software on mobile? Sir, this software is called Sangam CRM. And this Sangam CRM is a full-fledged CRM with web application and mobile application. And the functionality which showed you today works on both the things, mobile as well as web. Kailash Gupta has asked, is this by default in Sangam CRM or we have to implement it? Sir, we have not yet released this for all of you. We will release it next week. And we wanted to just discuss with all of you before releasing so that you know what's coming up. Will the same tags will work? Yes, Kailash Gupta ji, the tags will be same. You don't need to change anything. Everything is same. Is chatbot response system also a part of this and available in Sangam CRM? Yes, definitely. It is part of Sangam CRM. And guess what? The good news is that there is no extra charges for it. संगम सीआरएम के साथ ये बिल्कुल फ्री है एकदम. हाँ, good. Suraj Savalia had asked the question, how much charge for this software? Sir, this software is free with our Sangam CRM. Colin Martins have asked, can you show again how to create chatbot response? Yes. So I will share the mobile screen and show it to you. We stop the sharing from here, and now you will see the mobile screen, how this chatbot is created. So we'll create one new response for you. Okay. Then Pawan Sanala has asked, is it possible? So we can, let's say if I receive 102, I want to send a reply. Thanks for registration. And if I want to add some tag, no, I think the screen is not getting refreshed. We need to connect again. Oh, yes, it has come. And then we can also select tag if required. See, 102 is something that was received by our application, and thanks for registration is something that we reply. Okay, that's how it will work. So it is simple. And in the received message pattern, there are many other options. You can try all of them or any one of them, whichever is applicable to you. So I hope that is clear. So I'm not saving it now. I hope, Mr. Collins, it was clear. Mr. Pawan, I already shared with you that we cannot send images. So if we want to send images, then I have to violate the usage policy of WhatsApp, and we don't want to do this. So we are not doing it. Then Rajesh Goelji asks, this works on iOS? Absolutely no, sir. Rajesh bhai, ये WhatsApp for iPhone पे काम नहीं करता है. Just because iPhone does not allow to do things which is required for this application. So you will need to have an Android for that. Even I use Android just for that sake. Ashish Seth has asked, is there a way to pull data from Tally reports and then send messages to those contacts through CRM? Sir, it might be possible, or we can do a workaround, but I don't think that's a good idea because see, we have very one good package in market called Biz Analyst. So you can use that Biz Analyst package to send messages through WhatsApp from your Tally contacts. So what you ask might be possible, but not worth the effort on both the sides, on your side also and our side also. Then we have one somebody called Mr. The Motivator. Can we get it on Play Store, this app? Sir, yes, it is available on Play Store, but this app cannot do anything. You need to have subscription of Sangam CRM. Okay, so Sangam CRM, as I told you, is a complete full-fledged CRM solution. Sir Ashish, sir, I got your idea. You want to send specific messages to specific contact and specific messages, but you will need to first get all those contacts in CRM and then send that. But I think there are lots of Tally partners who have created fantastic WhatsApp add-ons for doing that in Tally. Why do we reinvent the wheel in CRM? Okay. Sir, the templates you have to create. We will try to get some default templates, but I don't think this default template idea will work because every time the requirement is different. And if we think and analyze in how many ways we can use this WhatsApp campaigns, there can be lots of ways. Okay, so you need to get that. Mr. The Motivator has asked subscription of how much? Sir, it would be good if you write your real name so that our team member can respond to you. Kronali has asked, sir, can't see rule engine symbol in WhatsApp. It is not in WhatsApp. It is in Sangam CRM. And it has not been yet released for you. Kronali ji, thoda dheeraj rakhiye, aayega. If we have WhatsApp API, can we integrate in your CRM? Mr. Mayur Nahar has asked, sir, as of now, no. We will be coming up with that maybe in November or December or something like that. Okay. Sir, can't see rule engine. Hemlata, it will come. Okay. Rajesh Chaudhary ji, maybe you can talk to our sales team. Couple of them are here. We will get back to you on this. By the way, Sangam CRM pricing is 12,000 rupees per user per year, and minimum we bill 5 users. Abhishek Jain, can we create a complaint registration system with this chatbot? Full marks to you, sir. चलो पहले वही देख लेते हैं कि what all things you can do. आगे के questions इसके बाद लेते हैं. First, we will see what all things you can do with the chatbot. So first is maybe you can create a very simplistic company profile like this. Okay, 10 for company, 20 for product A, 21 for product A technical specifications, 22 for pricing details of product A, right? If somebody responds 22, if they will get a pricing detail of product A. If somebody responds 21, they will get technical specs of product A, right? All these things. If you want this FAQ, you can do that also. So 111 is FAQ 1, 112 is FAQ 2, and so on and so forth. So it can carry on. How all the FAQs can be included here. Then you can also do events and webinars, announcements, and something like registration also. For example, if you have list of contacts in CRM and if you want to invite them all to some webinar, you can just send them a WhatsApp message and ask them to respond with some number. And if they respond with some number, a tag is applied automatically to them. And as a result, you get to know what is their problem. Okay. One more option is possible is take a feedback after a ticket is closed. So let's say a ticket is now this is an example of workflow based WhatsApp campaign. Okay. If something happens in CRM, do this like that. So we can send a message, press 911 for good, 912 for okay or average, 913 for poor service. So whatever feedback they want to give, they can give. Now, based on the feedback they have given, a tag is applied automatically to that contact. So you come to know what was the response. I hope all of you got the idea. Okay, now I most probably this will be released in coming week to all of you. So we had been testing this for quite a long time. Now it is ready for to be released. So once it is released, one new thing it will come bring in is if some unknown contact responds, okay, a new lead will be created. So you at least know that isko phone karna hai. Then you will be able to take registration based on WhatsApp responses once we release the events module in CRM. As of now, we have not released the events module. We'll release it soon. Okay. So I hope that questioned most of the answers. Let us get back to the questions. Dhawal Lotia said email template will also work similar as WhatsApp campaign. Yes, sir, definitely work. And we had done a webinar also on that. It is already available on YouTube. You can watch it. So wow, we finished everything much faster. So I was expecting a lot more questions from all of you. क्या सब clear हो गया? Hello. If you have any more questions, you can ask. Any doubts, any queries, anything that you want to ask. See, whatever I wanted to convey from my side, I have already conveyed. Okay, Janil Desai has asked which number will be used for chatbot. Your number, which is installed in your mobile. Okay, so this is not some third-party virtual number or something like that. It is your number which you are using in your mobile. How can we send messages to a list from CRM using filter on which follow-up or type of customer type? Sir, you can just filter using the advanced filter on CRM. So let me show you a little bit. But here, Ashish sir, I want to share something with you. See, to get this list, I have created an advanced filter. So similarly, you just create an advanced filter and send a list. That's it. It will work. No big deal. एडवांस लिस्ट बना लो, टैग मारो और कैंपेन भेज दो, तो हो जाएगा. Kailash Gupta ji has asked, Android phone for chatbot is must to use this facility, right? Very right, sir. Android is better option for a business phone. iPhone is a better option for a personal phone. Mr. Narayan Dutt Mishra ji has asked, can we have a look how the interface look like? Sir, we already saw the interface. Which exactly interface you would be like to see, sir? Okay, Mr. Rajesh Chaudhary has asked how many contacts at a time we can send messages. Sir, there is absolutely no limitation from our side, but you have asked a very, very relevant question, because if you send more messages, your number can get blocked. Now, I have one small video which explains why your number can get banned. Do you want me to show that video? I need to get enough response in the chat to show that video. Okay, so many people interested in that. So share, start that video soon. Just hold on while I open the video.
We are going to discuss this topic: why does WhatsApp ban your number and how to avoid this. So this can be probably one of the scariest screenshot from your mobile. ये देख के ही बड़ा डर लगता है, right? This means that your number has been banned and you can no more use WhatsApp. So how did you land up here? How did this happen? So let us understand this thing in detail and also understand how to avoid this. So why was your number banned? Before we discuss that, how it is banned and everything, let us first understand two fundamental logic. So first of all, WhatsApp is a product of a company. It's a profit making company. It's a for profit company. So these 2 crore users that they have is their product. They are selling this platform is their product, and when you try to spam, their product quality reduces, and that reduces their users, and that will reduce their profits. So obviously they don't want you to allow to do that. Another thing is that WhatsApp API is their product which brings in their revenue. Now when you try to sell their product without giving them any share of the revenue, they lose their revenue. So they will not allow you to sell WhatsApp's API also. So these are the two fundamental reasons why WhatsApp will ban users if WhatsApp thinks that they are not using the product according to usage policy. So now this is probably the section where all of you are very much interested to know how do they detect and block you. So let us understand that this is a detailed and very matured machine learning process, and they have very fine mastery over this, and they should have. So first is when you use a third party tool for sending automated messages, they can detect it very clearly. They can also detect when you send lots of messages in a short time, especially with a new number. Then when you increase the number of messages suddenly, so let's say daily you are sending 5, 10, 15, 20 messages, and one fine day you want to send 1000 messages, so then it's detected and then your number is blocked. So most of the time when people buy a new phone and then immediately try to send so many messages, their number can get blocked. Sending same message to lot of people, the ratio of sent versus received is very important. So when you send lots of messages but response is very less, then also your number gets blocked. Then when you send messages to unsaved contacts, then also your number can get blocked. The final and the most important and prominent reason is when people report you or block you. So this is, I think, the number one reason why WhatsApp numbers get banned. So if you want to avoid getting banned, please think more and more of the last point. Why will people report you and what you should do about it? So let's go ahead and understand the problem. Now you might have a question, is the ban dependent on the tool which you are using, right? No, there is no tool which is ban proof. There is no concept of anti-ban bulk WhatsApp tool. Entire monitoring happens on the server side and not on the client side. So there is no control on the client. तो ऐसा कोई टूल बाजार में नहीं है जो क्लेम कर सकेगी नहीं नहीं हमारे टूल से आप स्पैम करो ब्लॉक नहीं होगा, पक्का ब्लॉक होगा, पक्का होगा. So what do you do when your number gets banned? So there is a process. You send an email to support@whatsapp.com, फिर वो आपको रिप्लाई करते हैं, फिर वो 2-3 बार तक आपका बैन हटा देते हैं, but then afterwards they can ban you permanently also. So let us see this entire thing step by step. So first of all, what will happen is when your number gets banned, you will be logged out of WhatsApp. So you will not be able to start your WhatsApp and you will get this screen. Then you enter your number and try to do next and register again. So it will tell you this, your phone number blah 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 is banned from using WhatsApp. Contact support for help. So you click on support then it will take you to this screen. So you write your own message why you want your number to be unbanned. So you can structure your own message, write it nicely, and then click on next. After that, click on the last part. This doesn't answer my question. So it should open your email client and show you this mail. Now please wait. Do not press send. You have to change one more thing. So you change the to address to support@whatsapp.com, because the original address that comes in the mail is wrong. Your emails are going to bounce from there, and then click send. After some time you will get this autoresponder that your message has been received, and this is just an acknowledgement that they have received your email. In few hours you might receive this mail which says that your number has been unbanned. So now you can register and start using WhatsApp once again. But generally if you get this kind of messages, or if your number gets banned for 2 or 3 times, then you receive some message like this which tells you that your number is permanently banned and it will remain banned. So you cannot unban this number. So if you get this mail, that means now only God can save you. The number is banned. So how do you avoid getting banned? Let us understand the people to whom you send these messages. You always should send messages to people who know you, or either you know them, or you have a reason to send a message to them. For example, if somebody is putting an inquiry on my website and they have agreed to receive a WhatsApp message from me, obviously I can send them a message. Or I can send a message to somebody for whom that message is useful. Please keep that in mind, and always save the people in your contact list before sending them the message. How many messages you should send and what should be the frequency of message. Increase the number of messages gradually. Don't just shoot your message from 10 or 15 to 1000 in one shot. Increase gradually, 10 and 20, then maybe 30, 40, then 50, 60, gradually to 80, then 100, then 150, then carry on 150 for a couple of days, and then increase it. Also make sure that the frequency of message is 7 to 15 days. So no one receives your message in less than 7 days. If they receive, they might report. Make sure that you follow this rule. So what should be the message and what should be the content? Now this is very important. You should send messages which people would respond to. So when you are writing the message, or when you are creating the
Audible? I'm pausing this video here because I want to explain you a couple of things. So many times it happens that we want to send some link to people, but they are not able to see that link. So there is no problem with your sending the link. The problem is how the WhatsApp is designed to work. And first of all, let us understand why this was designed. So many scams, specifically phishing scams, were happening on the WhatsApp. So what WhatsApp decided is that if you receive a link from unknown number, it is not visible to you unless and until either you save the number or you respond to that chat. Okay. So what will be the best idea? Let's say I have created a video and I want to send it to you, the link of that video. So what I will do is I will send a message to you that I have created a video on this topic. If you would like to see it, press 112. Now, if you press 112, which means you have responded, my chatbot will send you the video link. Okay. Now you can see the link. Also, I get a list of people who have responded. Right. I hope this is clear. And Mr. Rajesh, we already discussed that we cannot send any kind of attachment because sending attachment is not allowed according to WhatsApp's API or WhatsApp usage policy. So if we develop something which can send images, it would be illegal. And creating illegal software will have problems on the both the sides, for you also and for me also. For you, the chances of your number getting banned are increased, and for me, the chances of getting sued by one of the world's richest person increases. So I don't want to take that risk, either for me or for you. So that is the reason we are not including it now, and we will never include it in future. Okay, and I continue the video.
the template for the message, write in such a way that people will want to respond to. Don't send one message again and again and again and again. I have seen many people, they have one price list and then every day, every morning they will keep on sending that price list. That's not a good idea. Generally, single messages will not motivate people to take action. You need to send a series of message or campaigns. Never send messages which are obscene or defamatory to some individual or some group of individuals. Also, always take care about virus and malware or links in your WhatsApp message, the phone number and other details which you should take care of. Always use the official WhatsApp app. Generally, people try to use unofficial apps, cracks or jailbroken apps, which will always lead you to trouble. So always make sure that you have an official WhatsApp app, either WhatsApp or business WhatsApp. Always make sure that it is updated to the latest version of app. We strongly recommend using WhatsApp on 3G and 4G and not Wi-Fi. It's not 100% sure, but it has been observed that when you use Wi-Fi, the chances of your number getting blocked are more. Use a number which is popular. Don't get a new number for this activity because people know you by your number. So if you receive a message from some particular person, there are chances that you will open it because it has come from his number. But if same person uses some other number and then sends you a message, you might not open it. So make sure that you use the same number which people have already saved in their address book. Please don't use automation tools. It can be very disastrous for you. Now here are some few important tips. Always back up your WhatsApp so that you can restore the same. And if you think that some chat history or some particular chat is important, make sure that you mail it to yourself or someone else. Now the final tip that I want to share with you is that marketing is more important in WhatsApp marketing than WhatsApp. You need to understand the concept of marketing more. So marketing resonates more with romance. You are trying to woo someone, right? You are trying to convince somebody that you are good, you are trustworthy, you are someone dependable from whom that person can buy some service. So when you are wooing someone, you do things that the other person will like. So when you are using WhatsApp for marketing, create messages which the other people will like, send messages in a way and in a frequency which the other people will like. So as this line goes, marketing is supposed to be romance and not rape. So make sure you don't do that with your marketing activity. Finally, we have one practical guide to WhatsApp marketing. I will also put the link in the description from where you can visit this. So this is a detailed guide to WhatsApp marketing. It contains few videos and a detailed article, what you should do, what you should not do and what you should never do. So thank you very much for watching this. We hope this was useful to you. Please share your comments, suggestions and feedbacks regarding this video and this article. Thank you. Thank you very much.
I hope these things are clear now. Okay, so some other video had auto started. Mr. Paras Sangvi, tomorrow we will, on Monday evening, we will put this video on YouTube. And we have all the previous videos on YouTube as well. Just let me show you where they are. It will be helpful to you. Just go to youtube.com/NJ Network. And then here you can open the playlist and you have Sangam CRM concept talks. So we already have done 11 concept talks. This is 12th. Okay. And these concept talks are basically a detailed discussion about the philosophy or concept particularly, not the technical walkthroughs. So today also our main emphasis or focus was on the concept of WhatsApp marketing or WhatsApp integration. Then we have some more questions. Yes. Janil Desai, for sending images, you have got lots of options. You can create. Janil, can you enable your microphone and speak exactly what you want to send?
How can we send product images with the product specification?
So have you tried creating WhatsApp catalog in WhatsApp Business?
Yes.
So get a link of that catalog and send it to people,
Okay.
right? It works, and it works perfectly well. Abhishek, as of now, it is not available. Option to create an unsubscribe tag, but very shortly we will make it available. So I think mostly once you by the time you receive this, it will be available. Okay. So બરાબર નહીં સામે વાળો કે નથી જોઈતું મારે મારે કરવું પડે ને એ નથી કરવું. So what's the other feature rather than sending messages? Mr. Chaudhary, is there a possibility that we can arrange a small meeting with our team? I think that would be useful. By the way, I think there are lot many people in today's meeting who are new to this. By the way, on our channel, you see lots of videos. These videos are feedback about the training which we recently conducted for our team members. So if you want to understand more about NJ, I think that would be helpful. So this is the short introduction to Sangam CRM. Let me share the screen first. Sorry. I hope the screen is visible now. Sangam CRM. Indian CRM for Indian business by an Indian company. So first of all, let us understand what is CRM, the technical details. So first of all, it's a cloud-based CRM, which means you can access it from anywhere, anytime via a web application. And we also have native mobile apps for iOS and Android. So you get your information every time, anywhere or any device. And then we also have integrated telephony and call center solutions, which is optional. If you require it, you can get it. It is fully customizable. We can say it's industry agnostic. You can use it for any industry, any vertical. Sangam CRM can be extended and integrated with any other software system with API. And it is built on latest PHP, Laravel and MySQL technology and lots of other technologies. So the base stack is PHP, Laravel and MySQL. Let us understand something about NJ. We have been in business since 1999 and we have been providing CRM since 2009. As of June 2021, it is being used by 450 plus clients, 6,500 plus users, 23 different verticals, and we have 80 plus team. Now let us understand how it can help you. What this Sangam CRM can do for you, it can do everything except finance and inventory, because then it would become ERP, and ERP and CRM are two different things. So this is a CRM, it's not ERP. So first of all, it can handle your all marketing activities, lead generation and lead capture. When I say marketing activities, means WhatsApp marketing, email marketing, SMS marketing, and capture means you can integrate with your website, you can integrate with other market portals, anything is possible. Sangam CRM helps you in managing your sales, lead and funnel management. It also provides an help desk, support tickets, SLA management, contract management, complaint management. And over and above, it can act as a complete business process management solution. So task and process management, everything other than sales and service. So sales and service are already covered above. So in Sangam CRM, you can capture everything. It provides you a true multi-channel experience. So email, WhatsApp, SMS are already integrated. Mobile call and SMS auto logging is available so that you don't have to log your calls. And of course, as I said, integrated call center solution is available. It's optional. If you want, you can have it. It provides single click visits, meeting and activities logging. So you don't have to do data entry. The whole purpose or whole idea of creating Indian CRM is you need to reduce the data entry. So we have a very revolutionary OPR dashboard. So what's OPR? It's open, periodic and results. By the way, we have one more video which explains you in detail about the OPR dashboard. So this is one dashboard for everyone, your executives, team leaders, top management, everyone can see whatever they want to see from this. One dashboard for everything. And this dashboard is available on mobile and web both. So OPR dashboard can be configured according to the KPI and KRA of an individual. It's a drill down, completely drill down to record level where you can also edit the records. Let's talk about Sangam CRM pricing. So it is extremely transparent with no hidden cost. We charge per user per month or per year basis. No extra support charges, no extra hosting charges, with unlimited records and cloud space. All the add-ons that we have developed are available free of cost. One time onboarding, customization and integration cost is extra. So this is only for the first year. Next year onwards, it is not charged unless and until we have to do some other customization for you. We have observed that 98% of self-implemented CRM fails, or even reactive or need-based support does not work. So if we have a support system where if you face any problem, then call us, it doesn't work. So we designed a very unique implementation process, and we can very safely and confidently and proudly say that our implementation process is best in the world. Our software is not special, our onboarding and hand holding is special. So we have one account manager, CRM and functional expert. So the person providing you the support or doing your hand holding is not only expert in CRM but also expert in business functions. Individual onboarding for each and every user. So that group trainings we don't do, we do individual onboarding for every user. Then we also provide this free service for CRM audits and workshops and lectures and webinars to boost your company CRM usage. We have put
It's
all
5
our
o'clock.
customers in one group. Initially it was WhatsApp group and then we migrated to a Facebook group. For more details you can visit www.njworld.com. It's spelled out as ENJAYWORLD.com. Thank you for.
Okay, so that was about Mr. Chaudhary. The cost depends on from where you look at it. Okay, so we can talk on that. I can. I'm sure I will be able to explain you why this cost is this way. And I don't think this is high. We are the most economical CRM amongst the equals. Okay, so now we have some more questions from others. Let me take up that also. Do we have any option if Sangam CRM is sending messages and if call pops up, it gets stopped? Yes, Dhaval bhai, I told you that if you receive any call or do anything else, automatic sending messages will stop. Okay, then Aditya Ganpule has asked, sir, auto tagging when someone replies is not properly cleared. Can you explain again? See, let's say if I send you one message that we are having a webinar on Sangam CRM on 1st of August. To get the link, reply 105. Okay. So now let's say Aditya wants to attend it. So Aditya will send 105. So as soon as you send 105, against your contact, 105 tag will be applied. So if I get a list of 105 tags, I get to know who all people reply, who all are interested. Okay. Suraj bhai, thank you very much for your kind words. Yes. So are we all exhausted of our questions or do we have some more? और कोई सवाल बचे? So I want to ask all of you one question. Can we use other than numbers for response? So you can use anything for response. It is not a problem. You can use anything. Ekta Banerjee has asked, what is the main difference between NJ CRM and Sangam CRM? Sangam CRM is the new version. It is developed recently. It's entirely a new platform and new framework. So a lot of new things are coming up here, which were not possible in NJ CRM. So we have migrated most of our customers from Fusion CRM to Sangam CRM, means the previous NJ CRM to Sangam CRM. And NJ CRM was based on Sugar CRM community version, whereas the Sangam CRM is designed from scratch. Dhaval Lotia has asked, web-based tagging will automatically sync on mobile app. Dhaval bhai, we first need to understand that there is no concept of syncing because there are no two applications. There is only one application which is on cloud, and one version of that application is running on web and one version is running on mobile. There are no two different databases. There is no two different data. एक ही है जो दो जगह पे दिख रहा है, ठीक है? ये कुछ कुछ भगवान के जैसा है, एक ही है लेकिन अलग अलग दिखता है. तो ऐसा नहीं है कि यहाँ आया तो उधर आएगा कि नहीं आएगा, आ ही जाएगा, चिंता मत करिए. So Mr. Chaudhary, you asked, can we use other than numbers? Sir, I did not get that. Can you, you can also enable your mic and speak, sir. Hello?
Hello, can you hear me, sir?
Yes, sir, definitely.
So other than number means we are using 777-101 instead of we can use something code in letters. What do you we can use that?
Yeah, you can use, why not?
Okay.
Right, but using the words and letters, it would be difficult for you to create a menu system,
Yes.
and it would
Yes.
also be difficult for people to navigate through that. But yes, you can definitely create that. It's not a problem.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
Yeah. Yes, sir. Any other question? So few people have raised hands. If you want to ask question, you can ask. Hello. I am waiting for your questions. So are we already out of questions? In that case, let me ask you a question. If I give you this feature tomorrow, what you are going to do for it? इससे क्या करेंगे? This question is for everyone who is already using Sangam CRM, and also for people who are using some other CRM or they are planning to buy CRM, whatever is the scenario. But if you get this feature tomorrow, what will you do? Can I request all of you to please start your camera so that we can at least see each other and have a discussion? Thank you, Kailash ji. Thank you, Ashish sir. Okay, so Janil has said that first I will make the flow of messages. Perfectly correct. You need to decide a flow of messages. Rajesh sir, it is per user per year. So one subscription, one user. और मैं आपको फिर बोलता हूँ, आप प्राइस का दिमाग से निकाल के सोचिए, प्राइस को हम बाद में सोचेंगे. Price is not essential as of this stage. And I can give you an equally efficient CRM for free. So don't worry about that also. Yes, absolutely free. And I'm very serious about this. I'm not being sarcastic. There is a CRM called suitecrm.com. It is free of cost. You can download it to your machine and use it. 100% free. Most of the features are, means 99 or 98% features are similar. 1 or 2% features which is different. You have to get some free add-ons or paid add-ons like that. Kailash Gupta ji said you can do cross-selling messages. सर वो क्रॉस सेलिंग मैसेजेस है ना कैलाश भाई, ये अपने आप में एक बड़ा वर्ड हो गया. आप एग्जैक्टली क्या करोगे ये लिखने का सोचिए कि अगर मंडे सुबह को आपको मिल गया तो मंडे सुबह पहला चीज क्या करना पड़ेगा. एंड इफ यू वांट टू अचीव दिस क्रॉस सेलिंग थिंग, व्हाट यू हैव टू डू. सुरेश पड़िया जी, इफ दिस व्हाट्सएप का आज के सेशन में जो डिस्कशन हुआ ना पूरा, वो फीचर अगर आपको कल मिल जाता है तो क्या करेंगे. नहीं धवल भाई, व्हाट यू हैव सेड इज लाइक, मतलब ये जो बहुत बड़े बड़े बिजनेसमैन बात करते हैं ना वैसा हो. आई वांट यू टू डिसाइड एग्जैक्टली व्हाट स्टेप्स यू विल डू. अब स्टेप्स सोचिए, जल्दी समझ में आएगा. Yes, Colin, the tags that you have created will be very useful now. I agree to you. Ha, see, Colin, I have already showed you the video why your number gets blocked. Understand it properly and then start using it. Okay, we are not customers of WhatsApp. We are actually WhatsApp's product. So, ban hoga ye normal hai. You have to figure out your way. Yes, Dhaval bhai. So I think most of people have got it right. So Aditya ji, you have written things in detail. Thank you for it. Dhaval bhai, you already read the book. In first chapter, there is one line. With that line, the chapter starts. Do you remember that? हाँ, सोच गहरी हो जाए तो फैसले कमजोर हो जाते हैं. इतना ज्यादा मत सोचो. आप एक हफ्ते में सुबह भेज के देखो, एक हफ्ते में शाम को भेज के देखो, कभी बुधवार को भेजो, कभी शुक्रवार को भेजो. ये ना सोचने सोचने में कॉलेज के 3 साल खत्म हो जाते हैं. फिर किसी दिन मार्केट में मिलती है बच्चों के साथ और बोलती है मामा को नमस्ते करो. So don't do that. ठीक है. हाँ, हंसने जैसा ही था. मैंने सोचा सब लोग कितने सीरियस हो गए एकदम. जतिन भाई, by the way, how are you? Are you still there?
I'm here. How are you?
I'm fine.
Yeah.
So we are not able to see you. अच्छा, we have got 2 जतिन भाई. एक जतिन मेहता भी है, जतिन बोटादरा भी है. हाँ, जतिन भाई एक तो दिख गए, दूसरे जतिन भाई नहीं दिख रहे.
कर रहा हूँ. Just 1 second.
हाँ.
No, 1 sec. You can see.
Yes, now you are visible, sir.
Yeah, you can visual. Yeah.
Yeah. Suresh bhai is on Saturday evening mode.
Yeah.
Good, sir. So I think that's it from my side. We can wind up. If you have any more questions, queries, if you have them now, you can ask us now, or you can send us a message. And by the way, by Monday evening, we will be sending you the recording of this, which you can watch again on YouTube. Okay, so we have one more question from Mr. Abhijit Sarkar. Is it possible to use with Telegram in near future?
Fantastic.
सब आएगा सर, चिंता मत करिए। सवाल यह है कि अगर टेलीग्राम वाला फीचर ला दूं तो आप उसके लिए कितना खर्चा करने को तैयार है? चिंता मत करिए, मैं पैसा नहीं मांगूंगा, मैं खाली पूछना चाहता हूं कि व्हाट इज अवर डिजायर टू गेट इट।
Yes. Very nice question.
Yeah, Limesh bhai, let me give it a go.
या प्लीज।
So this is my thought. It's not necessary it will be a representative thought of everybody.
या
But I see that there is a lot of shift from users from WhatsApp to Telegram. Number one.
या
So some people have got their customers moved to Telegram.
हम्म
Now the small, medium, and enterprise definition has just gone beyond 500 also.
यस
So example, you have small, medium enterprise, but they've just gone up just beyond 500,
यस
but less than 1,000 definitely.
हम्म
So those people, they are evolved probably users, evolved this thing, and they would probably be able to harness that.
Hmm.
So for example, if a company has just about 600 people and you
Right.
want to send them an internal communication, this will help.
हम्म
Okay. And then you have the list there in the CRM.
राइट
So if the employees are listed there, rather than going and asking people, then putting the number, maintaining it, rather
Hmm.
just connect it to the HR database and pull it down and have it in the CRM and then push it these messages to the users.
राइट।
Send them an invite also.
See, I don't think integrating Telegram will be difficult.
No, I know that.
Mm,
I'm just
it
giving
is,
you a
in
use
fact,
case.
yeah, definitely, sir. A lot of things are possible. See, today I was discussing with one of my friend. I think today he should be on this webinar also, Mr. Manish Tandon, and we were discussing about how many features which are still yet to come in many other platforms, right? So
Yeah,
we were
yeah.
discussing about Google Spreadsheet and Tally.
Okay.
Right, and then we were discussing that there are lots of API available, so anyone
Yeah.
can pick up API and then connect this and do that and all
Yeah.
this stuff.
Yeah.
But then the main question arises is that although that wish list is very long, बहुत से अरमान है, लेकिन ये सब अरमान का एक cost है और एक
Correct.
time period है. So see, let's say I have 25 people in development team or 50 people in development team.
Yeah.
So with that limited resources, we have to select and prioritize पहले क्या आएगा. Okay, so obviously we also had Telegram on our minds and we also explored the API of Telegram. But of all our customers as of now, no one is on Telegram or might be बहुत
Interesting.
few. So
Very interesting.
so to test this, what I did was from my Telegram number, I had sent message to all of them. Just to check कितना response आता है. Right, out of like 3,200 people, maybe 17 or 18 people responded in next 24 hours. Whereas if you send WhatsApp message to them, they might respond in 24 minutes and in huge numbers.
No, I think I said very clearly, it may not be representative for people
yes,
here or they may not be evolved. It's
No,
like
but
India is a Colgate toothpaste country, but if you go where they go and
yes,
buy, it's the same situation.
yes. But yes, a lot of people are going there, and then because of that last row which happened and lot of PR activity from WhatsApp which prevented it from happening. So yes,
no, there are these
people have
problems also about going beyond 250 users and just about 300 or
true,
less than 500. That has become a showstopper.
Yes. So yes, that will come soon. Not to worry. Abhijit bhai aa raha hai. But
Thank you, sir.
still ये सोच के देखिए कि क्या है मालूम है क्या, see if there is no cost involved, we don't use it.
No. Thank you, sir.
मैं चाहता हूँ कि इसको यूज किया जाए और ऐसा यूज किया जाए कि बनाने वाले को मजा आ जाए कि यार see when you develop or create something you get return twice. एक जब भी वो कोई पैसा देता है हमको उसका तो वो मेहनताना मिलता है और उसके बाद कोई अच्छी तरह से यूज करता है ना तो उसकी खुशी मिलती है. तो मैं आपसे पैसा लूंगा तो मेहनताना मिलेगा, मेरा घर चलेगा. आप उसको अच्छी तरह से यूज करते हैं ना तब खुशी मिलती है, तब ऐसा लगता है कि यस वॉट एवर आई हैव क्रिएटेड और वॉट एवर वी ऑल हैव क्रिएटेड people are using it, people are finding it useful. Okay,
You can charge a small fee for those who want it. Simple as that, because it's not very complicated.
No, no, sir. We are not going to charge. I was just asking that you imagine one figure. मतलब ये जेब से निकाल के दूसरी वाली जेब में डाल देना, लेकिन सोचो खाली ऐसा. Okay. So I think we are done with it. If you have any more questions, as I already told, please shoot up on WhatsApp or email, or you can visit our YouTube and ask your queries there in the comment section. We will surely respond. Okay. And by the way, we release 2 small videos every week. These are small videos like 3 minutes to 6 minutes. And these are published on my LinkedIn profile and our YouTube channel. So when I say my LinkedIn profile means Limesh Parekh's personal LinkedIn profile and NJ's official YouTube channel. So maybe you can visit there. It will be useful to you. Those who are using CRM, it will be useful for you also. Those who are planning to buy CRM, it will be useful for you also. Those who are planning to sell CRM, it will be useful for you also. And I will also like to receive your comments on what is your take on the ideas that we discussed. Okay. Chalo, thank you very much. Have a great weekend. And one last announcement, a fantastic, delicious dinner has been arranged at your home. So once you reach your home, have that dinner और भाभी को मेरे तरफ से नमस्ते बोलना. चलो, thank you very much.